I'm Mohammad Ali Beg. I belong to Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
This is Harshita and I'm from SRM Chennai.
My name is Priyanka Rai. I am currently pursuing my masters from University of Lucknow in Department of Zoology.
This is Santosh. I am coming from Chennai and I am pursuing my PhD degree from the University of SRM University.
My name is Simanti Prakash and I am from University of Lucknow.
My name is Nikita Katyar. I am a PhD research scholar from the Department of Zoology from the University of Lucknow.
My name is Sara Patel. Currently I am pursuing my first year in Masters in Biotechnology at Charosat University.
Hi, my name is Pratik Nag. I completed my PhD in the field of computational biomechanics from Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati.
As we all know, cancer is one of the main areas of research nowadays, and oxidative stress is the one such main cause of the cancer. So I was looking for the workshop around the various institutes, browsing through the internet. So I found this workshop on preclinical mouse models and measuring of the oxidative stress. So conducted by the ICMR-NIOH Ahmedabad. So coming on to the day one, it was the first lecture conducted by Yogeshwar sir of the renowned institute of the CSIR IITR. His research work was basically on cancer and the role of oxidative stress in inducing cancer. It was a very good lecture.
I'm working under Raji Lenin's ma'am guidance in Department of Medical Research, and right now we're working in diabetic retinopathy. And my senior Santosh, he brought to my attention about this workshop. And here the people are very hospitalizing and very approachable. They taught me more about oxidative stress and animal model in research.
This is my first time workshop associated with ICMR-NIOH. Yesterday was my day one in the workshop, and my experience was completely incredible. I get to have knowledge about oncogenes, and I had a great interaction with Dr. Yogeshwar Shukla sir. It was pleasant meeting him, and later on we had a practical session and when we there learned about comet assay, and that was pretty amazing.
So currently I am working on oxidative stress related diabetic retinopathy. So this workshop will be helpful for me. And for the past 2 days, I've been learning about how to measure the oxidative stresses and all. Hope this will help me a lot. And further, we will be doing like live animal handling models. So this will be a great experience for me.
This is my first ever workshop and I was having very high expectations, and I am very glad to say that all of my expectations are fulfilled here. I am having great experience of learning and I'm loving this experience.
I'm here to attend the workshop on the oxidative stress on the rat model. And I am having a great time over here. Today we had a lecture from Dr. D P Singh, who is a scientist in NIOH, and he delivered his speech on the experimental model of rat on the training phase, that is elevated plus maze and various other mazes, and he was so much interactive towards the audience, and it was very helpful in my thesis research work, and I'm so proud that I am here in the NIOH. Thank you so much.
I had keen interest in animal models, and ever since then I have been applying to workshops and training like this. So finally I got an opportunity to come in ICMR, and it was really great experience for me. Like yesterday I did mice modeling, like it was hands-on mice modeling, and for me, like it's like a kickstart to my career, and I'm really excited to see where this goes.
I find this workshop organized by NIOH, ICMR as a platform where I will be able to learn the biological skills and also the biochemistry part of my subject, and that will help me to dwell more into the implant related infections in the human body. So this is a really interdisciplinary approach.
Myself, I am Raji Lenin. I am an assistant professor from SRM University, Chennai. I am here for the preclinical animal model workshop, and I was graciously invited by Dr. Gika Kwal, who has been a long-term mentor and collaborator for me. and I'm very excited to participate as a workshop and give a speech on my research.
Myself Dr. Rajendra Pal, working as a scientist D at ICMR-NIOH Ahmedabad. My prime responsibility is management of the animal facility. I am attending veterinary in here. During these 5 days preclinical workshop organized by Biological Sciences Division or Toxicology Division, so we have provided the hands-on training to the participants.
I am Dr. D Pratap Singh, currently working as scientist at ICMR-NIOH Ahmedabad. Basically, in one of the sessions we have talked about the assessment of different type of neurobehavioral features, particularly like depression, anxiety and cognitive assessment in rodents. So what we have taught to those students, those curious minds during these days, that how to measure those rodent behavior in a very efficient manner using sophisticated tracking systems, how those animals behave in their home cage condition and during their assessment periods or during their exposure periods of different type of environmental toxicants.
Hello, I am Gajanan Patil, working as a Technical Officer B here at ICMR-NIOH. Today was the 4th day of mouse model workshop and we had a practical session regarding extraction, analysis and quality check of nucleic acids, real-time PCR and its variant. So it was a really nice experience to interact with all these participants. Many of them were not having hands-on experience in these techniques. So I hope that this workshop is really fruitful for them. I would like to also thank the organizers for organizing this workshop. Thank you very much.
Myself, Dr. Raji Mishra. I am Associate Professor in CSGM University, Kanpur. And also I am also Associate Dean at our university in International Cell Department. So here today I discussed about the work which I am doing at CSGM University in Molecular Oncology Lab. So we talk about how the cancer stem cells are harmful to cancer, how we can target them. So this is the overall work that we discussed today, and this work is really important in case of societal aspect, that tobacco is consumed by the majority of the population, how tobacco is initiating cancer stem cells. This we discussed. We also discussed that how we can target those tobacco induced cancer stem cells to cure them. So this work, and regarding this NIOH, so I'm thankful to the organizer for inviting me and at this workshop. And this workshop I interacted with the various participants. The participants are very interactive, and apart from this I also visited the NIOH lab. I found that lots of good work is ongoing which impacted the society is ongoing at the NIOH ICMR labs. So I'm thankful to the entire organizing team as well as the organizer for inviting me in this national workshop. Thank you very much.
So my name is Dr. Prashan Gupta. I am working as a Senior Principal Scientist at CSI IIIM Jammu. I came here to attend this workshop organized by National Institute of Occupational Health on the topic of approaches and method to measure oxidative stress in preclinical mouse model. I think it's a very important topic. They have covered during this event of 1 week. So last 1 week, I think it's a wonderful lectures they organized. And today is the last day. I can see a lot of good participants coming from different part of the states. Even for out of state, we have seen a good number of participations. Being a natural product chemist, we work in a variety of plants, microbes and marine organisms to develop a molecule of therapeutic interest. So today we have discussed and share our outcome, that what we are doing there and how the new method we develop and can be helpful for the further societal benefit in terms of their therapeutic potentials. And these are the government initiative recently, this initiative going toward the country. PM Modi's agenda was to develop a skill development for the young faculties, enlighten them with the new technologies, because these researchers in different universities and private colleges, they don't have good facilities. So it is a good opportunity for them to come and expose them with the modern tools and techniques which is available in the modern labs. and obviously it's a good opportunity for us as well to interact with them and learn their curiosity and new questions, and we also get new problems to solve. And with this, I would like to wish all the best to all the participants. They come all the way from different areas, and also best wishes to the organizers who has brought them and brought me also here, and all the very best to them. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Buxi. I am from Histo Biosciences Limited. Here today, I am really excited, and this national workshop is really good. And these participants also very much interactive. We discuss a lot during our discussions. What is the vaccines and how it is being tested in the laboratory animals, and over and above, they are also very interested in the other parts. That is this cancer research. It's a burning problem our now. So lot of interactions with the people. I would like to thank you, the entire team of NIOH and Dr. Singh's organizers of these workshops. And I am here today also excited for this entire day. I enjoyed a lot, and I am from the industry, but I love to come these academic interactions with the scientists, with the people. And I would like to say best of luck to the all participants, and they can enjoy the rest of the life. And thank you all. Thank you.
Akash Shukla. I'm SRF and research scholar from ICMR-NIOH. We delivered the practical sessions regarding measurement of oxidative stress indices like protein, PCC, SOD, catalase, GSH, etc. and also conducted the training regarding animal handling and nucleic acid extraction from tissues. I'm very grateful to all students and happy to interact with all the students from India, and thank you so much.
This is Swapnil Tripathi, and I'm a last year PhD student in the toxicology lab at ICMR-NIOH, and I'm pursuing my PhD under the guidance of Dr. Gyanendra Singh. So I'm very thankful to him first that he conducted and organized this workshop, and it's very nice to disseminate the knowledge which I have pursued in my 5 years of PhD journey, to transfer it to all the students, what I have learned and what were my experiences. So as a co-organizing member of this workshop, I trained the students in the practical sessions of the 5 days workshop, and I told them about the oxidative stress indices as well as the DNA damage, the lipid damage, the protein damage assays which has been linked to the oxidative stress. So it was very nice to interact with the students, and really the students were very inquisitive. They have asked and they have taken part in one-on-one discussions, and they have really done a great job in the hands-on training. And I really look forward that they have taken a lot of take-home messages from here, and I really thank to the students that they have participated in this workshop, and I think that they have learned something from this workshop and they'll endeavor their future with flying colors.
मैं धरती परमार ICMR-NIOH में सीनियर टेक्नीशियन की पोस्ट पे काम करती हूँ। हमारे NIOH ने 5 से 9 अगस्त में एक वर्कशॉप का आयोजन करवाया था, जिसमें ऑक्सीजन स्ट्रेस पैरामीटर क्या है, हमने वो नॉलेज पार्टिसिपेंट को सारा बांटने का ट्राई किया है। उसमें हमने प्रैक्टिकल सेशन का भी एक सेशन रखवाया था, जिसमें ऑक्सीजन स्ट्रेस पैरामीटर क्या है उनका हमने थोड़ा नॉलेज पार्टिसिपेंट को दिया। हमारे इस वर्कशॉप में अलग अलग राज्यों से बहुत सारे विद्यार्थियों ने भाग लिया था, जिसमें OS पैरामीटर में जैसे कि हमने प्रोटीन क्या है, कैटालेस क्या है, DNA डैमेज क्या होता है, इनका हमने थोड़ा नॉलेज उनको बांटा है। सारे पार्टिसिपेंट ने बहुत जिज्ञासावश हमारे वर्कशॉप में भाग लिया था, तो उनकी जिज्ञासा को देखते हुए मुझे भी उनको एक मैसेज शेयर करना है कि ये तो बहुत छोटी सी वर्कशॉप है, लेकिन आप और ऐसी वर्कशॉप अटेंड करते रहना और आपको जो भी नॉलेज मिले उनको आप अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में आगे बढ़ाते रहना। थैंक यू।
Hello, I am Dr. Gika Kwal from ICMR-NIOH Ahmedabad. We conducted workshop on approaches and methods to measure oxidative stress in preclinical mouse model. I am the organizing committee member for this workshop, and it has been a very enriching experience. We have had faculties and students attending this workshop from across our country, right from Tamil Nadu in south to UP in north, and students from central part of India as well as from our eastern and western part of India. So the student response has been very well, and the feedbacks we have obtained from the student is also very encouraging. So this workshop was basically, we wanted to train our young researchers in the techniques of oxidative stress. The core strength of our department lies in measuring the oxidative stress, and we wanted to disseminate this knowledge to all the students. And from the feedback we are getting, we guess we have been very successful in doing that. And I'm really thankful to our director for letting us do this workshop. I'm also thankful to Dr. Geeta Jotwani, who is the head at the HRD division in ICMR headquarters, who has helped us in providing timely caudal formalities and funding for this workshop. Apart from these, I'm really thankful to my colleagues, Dr. Gan Singh, Dr. Pal Khede, and Dr. Dhirendra Pratap Singh, who are also a part of the organizing team for this workshop. Last but not the least, I would thank the accounts and our admin, and also the technical staff support and our students for conducting this workshop in a very smooth manner.
Hello, good afternoon. So now we have gone through 5 days of marathon, research marathon, and today is the 5th day, the last day of our workshop. In this 5 days of journey, I believe we have covered almost every aspect of enzymatic, non-enzymatic, COMET assay, neurobehavioral, animal handling, various vaccine assays, and we tried to accumulate each and every expert lecture in this 5 days workshop, and believing in that the people, the researcher that has come from all different states of India should be enriched with the knowledge that has been shared by the experts. And I am Dr. Gan Singh, being a toxicologist since I'm PhD in toxicology, and then I went to United States for doing molecular biology. So I'm here to cater their needs regarding the toxicology models, the toxicity tests, the various oxidative stress assays in a preclinical mouse models. And we tried our level best to accumulate each and every expert in these 5 days of research marathon, so that the students, the faculties, that research personnel that has reached to this beautiful city of Gujarat, that is Ahmedabad, from different parts of the country. And we have been unrestricted supported from DHR, who has been generous in giving funds to this 5 days workshop, and our director, Dr. Santasa Bujdas sir, who has unrestrictedly given his whole support to carry out this workshop. And without these things, this would have not been possible. I believe it would be a very fruitful workshop for all the participants, and I am happy from deep inner of my heart that I could do something for the new generation, for my own people, the budding researcher who has come all the way to Ahmedabad to learn all this thing. And I believe in the future as well, we will continue to organize these kind of workshops, so that our research personnel, our research people, our research students will be exposed to the new techniques and the correct way of doing this technique, and the research methodology, and so on. So I give all the very best to all the participants and look forward for more. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.